In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make money with NCG Partners with your smartphone in 2024 and beyond. Hi friends, welcome to Niger Content Guru. How are you guys doing? It's a new year and I know that a lot of us are looking for ways we can make money with our smartphones, make money online, make money in Nigeria 2024, make money as a teenager in 2024. So if this is what you are interested in and you have a smartphone, you have a social media presence, you are active on your social media platforms, then keep on watching. I need you to first of all like this video and tell me where you are watching this video from. What state are you watching this video from? Now, if you have never heard about NCG Partners, it's because it is a new platform and it is Niger Content Guru Partners. Now, what is Niger Content Guru and what do they do? So, Niger Content Guru is a marketing agency, okay, and Niger Content Guru creates content, is a content agency firm, all right, and they also have a studio, a video studio in Abuja, all right, and Nigeria Content Guru now thought about it that okay, how can young people who are always on your phones, you are always using your phone. If you people know now, you are using TikTok, you are using Instagram, you are you're on Facebook. How can they make money in this year 2024? So Nigeria Content Guru decided to create a partners program where you as our partner would refer our services and our products to people and earn money. Now, if you are interested in joining, it's very simple. I'm going to put our Telegram group link in the description as well as in the comment section because I need you to take that step and join the group. Then we will add you to our affiliate program, so you have your own special link for all our products. So anywhere in Nigeria you are that you recommend someone to buy our product as well as our partners brands, you earn something from it, you earn a commission from it. It varies from product to product. There's some products that you can earn 10%, there's some products that you can earn up to 5% commission. So your social media would have a meaning. So for instance, if you are in the city of Abuja and you want to become a NCG partner, once you join the group, we would organize a day that you can come do a vlog from your house, come to the studio, create content in the studio and use it to market the studio. So anybody who sees your content and they're like, oh, I want to come to Nigeria Content Guru studio, you give them your link, your special link. No two people, no two partners in NCG Partners program will have the same link, okay? So when you give them your link and they buy and they place an order, so for instance, the studio, as at the time of making this video, there are different rates. So you have the rate of 7.5 for 30 minutes, you have the rates for 15,000 naira for 1 hour, you have the rate of 30,000 naira for 2 hours, you have the rates for half day is 60,000 naira and full day is 120,000 naira. It doesn't matter where you are in Nigeria. If you are on social media and you tell people, oh, come to Nigeria Content Studio, so let's say somebody books full day, which is 120,000 naira, through your link, okay, you are going to get 10% of 120,000. That's how much. 10% of 120,000 is 12,000 naira. Do you understand? So your social media would have a meaning because you have a reach. There are people who listen to you on social media. There are people who, once you post something, they want to know what you are doing. So don't waste it. And you may say, oh, I don't even know how to do it. Don't worry. If you have 1,000 followers on your social media platforms, that's on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook, you can join. And if you have less than 1,000 followers but you are serious, just let me know. Leave a comment and say, please, I have less than 1,000 but I would really like to be a part of it. We will create something for you, okay? But if you know that you want to take making money online serious in 2024, then join NCG Partners platform. Another beautiful thing about this NCG Partners platform is that once we know that you are a serious partner, okay, because this is serious business that we're doing here. Once we know that you're a serious partner, we will put you on our top priority list for our partner brands. So there are brands that will also want you to do the same thing for them. So once you join the NCG Partners, now to join is free, but if you would like us to recommend you to brands, then you have to step up and sign up for the premium plan. That one, you just sign up with 1,000 naira. With 1,000 naira, you become a premium partner, all right? And with the premium partner, we would recommend you to brands. So when brands want to create campaigns, they want to work with influencers, they want to work with content creators, you are going to be on our priority list, okay? So it is a win-win for everybody this 2024. You make money as an NCG partner, and also if you refer people to join the NCG Premium, you also earn commission too, all right? So you see that there's a lot of money to be made with your phone. Okay, so don't say that I don't know what to do this year. I don't know how to make money this year. This is a great way that you can make money this year. So if you are interested and say, oh, Nigeria Content Guru, this is really beautiful, I want to be a part of the NCG Partners, check the pinned comment. You will see the pinned comment. Join the Telegram group, okay? Look, we are not playing this year. This year is a very serious year, and you know, the serious you are, the more money you make. So yeah, you can make money from promoting our brand and our brand partners. You can also make money from referring people to join Premium Partners, okay? Premium Partners. We have NCG Partners, we have NCG Premium Partners. With NCG Premium Partners, you join with 1,000 naira, you become a premium partner. NCG Partners, that one is you are promoting, you earn on your commission and all of that. That's there. So it is up to you. Don't waste your social media presence. Don't waste your time on social media. If you know how to dance, you know how to talk, come and join NCG Partners. Another thing NCG Partners is going to be doing for our partners is that we're going to be having partners events across the nation. But we're going to start from Abuja because NCG Partners is in Abuja. So we would have partners picnics, partners buffet. So it's going to be a lot of fun. Partners games. So if this is your vibe, you like, oh, I want to go for a game show, I want to come and join NCG Partners. And our partners will also have priority. If you have a business, you are a partner, we are going to also be promoting your business for you as a partner. So this is a really once in a lifetime opportunity that there's no mago. It is all system backed. It's not a question of, oh, I did the task, I did not get money. Once you refer somebody and the person makes payment, okay, you convince the person makes payment. As the person's payment is getting to the system is sending it to you automatically. Do you understand? Automatically. It's not a question of somebody's accountant was not around or something like that. No, not at all. We don't do that with NCG Partners, all right? So if you are interested in making money online with your smartphone in 2024, come and join NCG Partners. Let me repeat what you stand to gain, the benefits of joining NCG Partners. As a NCG partner, you earn a commission when you refer people to any of our products or our brand partners products, okay, or their pages on social media. You get, once they make their payment, you earn. Now we also have NCG Premium Partners. NCG Premium Partners, you use 1,000 naira to join to have priority access to brands. You want to work with brands, you want to take your content creation serious this year. With just 1,000 naira, you are part of the NCG Premium Partners and you have access to different brands who, when they want to make use of content creator, will put you as priority to work with those brands. So yeah, let me know if you are going to be part of the new NCG Partners this 2024. check the Telegram link to join, and I hope to see you on the other side. Remember to like, remember to subscribe, okay? And like I said, tell me where you're watching this video from. Bye.